There's a world where I can take flight, where I can freely move. So carry me from these walls, brother of mine. Show me the world outside. It has to be true. I'm counting on you to be my wings and my eyes. As I breathe into our silence, there's a voice that comforts me. It's a voice of understanding. It's the voice of empathy. Wings of feathers, tails and fintips. I feel each rock so differently. You gave me more than I could ask for. Indistinguishability. So carry me from these walls, brother of mine. Show me the world outside. It has to be true.